Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk Channel, the place where we talk about English. I'm Emma.
Hello, everyone. I have big news. I want to say you a secret. I want to speak my friend about it. I want to tell to the world.
Whoa, Rahul, put down the megaphone. You are hurting my ears and you are hurting my grammar.
What? I am communicating.
You are communicating, but you're mixing up the big four. You said, say you a secret and tell to the world. Both are wrong.
Honestly, Emma, why are there 4 words for moving your mouth? Say, tell, speak, talk. It is confusing. See? ING adjective.
It is confusing, but there's a logic. Today, we're going to master these 4 verbs so you never make a mistake again.
Okay, I'm ready to listen. Or hear. That's another topic.
Let's start with the first pair, say versus tell. This is the biggest mistake learners make. The difference is the object, the person. Tell focuses on who you are talking to. Say focuses on what you said, the words.
Okay, tell equals the person, say equals the words.
Rule 1. Tell plus person. You must almost always put a person after tell. I told him. I told Sarah. I told them.
So I cannot say I said him.
Never. I said him is illegal grammar. You must say I told him.
Okay, and say.
Rule 2. Say plus to plus person. If you use say, you usually just say the words. I said hello. I said no. If you must add the person, you need to. I said hello to him.
Ah, tell him, direct, say to him with to.
Exactly. Rahul told me a secret. Correct. Rahul said me a secret. Wrong.
Got it. Tell implies information transfer to someone. Say is just the noise coming out of my mouth.
Perfect. Also, we have collocations. Tell a joke, tell a lie, tell the truth, tell a story.
I told a lie. I didn't say a lie.
Now let's look at the other pair, speak versus talk. These are very similar, but the difference is formality.
Formality, like wearing a suit versus wearing pajamas?
Exactly. Speak is formal, serious. Talk is informal, casual.
Okay, if I meet the president, do I speak or talk?
You speak to the president. I need to speak with you about a serious matter.
But if I'm chatting with my best friend, Wilson the pineapple,
You talk to Wilson. We talked about pizza and video games.
speak equals suit and tie, talk equals t-shirt and jeans.
Yes. Also, rule 3, languages. We always use speak for languages, never talk.
I talk English?
No, I speak English. I speak Hindi.
Even if I'm wearing jeans?
Yes, languages are always speak.
Okay, I speak English language. I talk about football topic. Emma, do I speak to someone or speak with someone?
Both are okay. Speak to equals one way. I talk, you listen. Speak with equals 2 ways, a conversation. But in daily life, people use them interchangeably. Don't worry too much about it.
Okay, I need to speak to you, teacher to student, scary. I need to speak with you, friend to friend, nice. Okay, Emma, I'm ready. Test my mouth.
1. She blank me she was hungry, said or told.
There's a person, me, so she told me.
Correct. 2. She blank that she was hungry.
No person, just the words, so she said that she was hungry.
Correct. 3. Can you blank French? Speak, talk.
Language, speak French.
4. Stop blank nonsense. Speaking, talking.
It sounds casual. Stop talking nonsense.
5. I want to blank a joke. Say, tell.
Collocation. Tell a joke.
6. He blank good morning. Said, told.
Just words. He said good morning.
You are 6 for 6.
Okay, let's summarize before I say goodbye.
Let's break it down.
Rahul. 1. Tell. Focus on the person. Structure. Tell plus person. I told him. Collocations. Tell a lie, tell a story, tell the truth.
2. Say, focus on the words. Structure, say plus words. I said yes. If you need a person, say to him.
3. Speak, formal. Use for serious topics or bosses, and always for languages. I speak English.
4. Talk, informal. Use for chat, gossip, and friends. We talked for hours.
5. The mistake. Never say I said him, always I told him or I said to him.
Listeners, we want you to communicate with us.
Yes, in the comments below, answer this. How many languages do you speak? Notice speak, not talk.
And tell us, what is the funniest joke you ever told?
I told a joke about a pencil, but it had no point.
Oh, Rahul, that was bad.
I know, but I said it anyway.
Please subscribe to Easy English Talk.
And tell your friends about us. Tell plus person.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, I'm going to talk to my pizza now.